Alright, it is airplane day and we are ready to roll. We just brought all kinds of stuff we can break.
Yeah.
Day one out in the village. Time to go install some solar panels. Maybe a few other things.
More wire coming up. Backside lang yan.
Nothing beats doing wiring with the crowd, eh? Oh, not the stop, eh? Alright, we need to drill a hole up there. Problem is, up there is directly above down there. That's terrifying. The best part about doing this part of the work is that I'm not on the roof and I'm not outside. Enough. Yesterday, I was a little too afraid to do this with the camera. Now, I'm still scared. But open up. I apologize for not filming much of the install, but they can all attest. Med gurja and a shake, and we pray the sun upload this slab. It's a long way down, and I'm afraid to film things, so I'm just gonna install it. So you, I think, don't blow them easy.
Yeah.
Well, today's extra bit of fun going up onto the top of the ladder was brought to you by spiders. At the very top of the ladder was like 200 or 300 little itsy bitsy baby spiders.
Oh,
Yeah,
just like.
that was fun. Let me lay slow walk about on top. Been adjusting for a while. Still doesn't work. Alright, time to face my nemesis. Dish alignment. Do. My tools are still here. Let's get to work. And just like that, we've got Wi-Fi out here. This is the speed test from just a few minutes ago, which is enough to do Zoom checking sessions and all of the translation work that we need to do here. It's really crazy to me to think that the first time we came out here, we had to walk for 20 minutes to a half hour to then stick our phone on a little rubber band covered stick just to be able to send a text message. And now just a few years later, we're able to get satellite internet out here fast enough to do translation work with people on the opposite side of the world. I still have a lot of little wiring things and IT related things to finish up that I won't bore you guys with because it's not nearly as exciting as standing on the roof trying not to die and pointing a satellite dish. While this part of the project may be done, we have internet out here. Getting internet is just a small portion of finishing the translation work for the Atma people. Please continue to pray for the Atma translation team, for this people, and for the churches in this area, that more and more people will come to know Jesus and that it will transform communities and lives here. God is doing some really cool things in this area, and I'm grateful that we get to be a part of it. Thanks for coming along for the ride. This is so cool.
Yeah, you're telling me. Holy cow. Who is that in the background?
Joangi. One flow, man flow.
Hello.
Hemi sa vi stop playa. Imbin stop on top na help you me play the scene sim solar. Huh? Yeah, you've been stuck on top. Yep. He was helping with the solar panels.
We are very excited and happy, and we are glad.
Wow.
And now we are on a Zoom call in the translation house. It's kind of crazy.
It's crazy.
That's awesome.
There's our ride back to Madang. Seriously hot. Hey, you want to go back to Madang now?
Let's go get a shower and find a van.
Alumiado, good plus sun. I'm glad we got to come.
Me too.
Come.